Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a nursery tour. I am so excited to finally film this video. My daughter just turned 1 a little over a week ago. So if you are new to my channel, I am a stay-at-home mom. I have a 1-year-old and I am obsessed with YouTube. I love watching YouTube. I love filming videos, so please don't forget to subscribe. And I film videos on motherhood, lifestyle, beauty. We vlog occasionally. And yeah, so this was one of my favorite videos to watch when I was pregnant, and I got so much inspiration from YouTube on how I wanted to do her nursery. I knew that I did not want a traditional nursery, I guess you would say. I kind of wanted something a little bit more mature, a little bit softer, and just very classy. So this is, I consider it like a floral nursery. There's a very pale pink on the wall. I will have everything linked down below, and like her wall color and where I got everything, but I knew that I didn't want like hot pink or purple or something super colorful, because I just don't really like that. And we have years for her to come to me and tell me that she wants a hot pink room or a Minnie Mouse room or any of those things, which to me, that's not what I think of when I think of a nursery. So I knew I wanted whites and light pinks and the pops of gold and lace, and I think that it just came together absolutely perfect. So please let me know what you guys think down below, and like I said, don't forget to subscribe. So I'm just gonna start here. I actually DIY'd this. It is a huge floral letter A, and I love how it turned out, and this is what made me want to do a floral nursery. At first I wanted it to be pink and gold, but then when I made this, it kind of set the tone for the rest of the room. Then we have her changing pad cover and changing pad. That is from Target. And you can see the design that it has there, and it has a little bit of gold with the polka dots. The dresser that we have is the Hems dresser. This is from IKEA. I'm sure you've seen it a lot because it's all over YouTube. This is just the 3-drawer dresser, and we changed the knobs for these that we found at Hobby Lobby, and they just look like that. And I really like how this dresser looks and how I was able to make it go with her floral theme. And then over here we just have our glider. This was from Target, and usually we have like some pillows or blankets, but I cleaned up her room so it's just empty right now. There we have her monitor, and here we have these angel wings that I'm obsessed with. This was something that I knew I wanted in her room from the very beginning, just to represent like the angels that are watching over her in protection. I thought this was so beautiful. So I've changed this room around a lot, but that has always stayed right next to her bed. And here's a close-up of her curtains. They're just lacy, and I got these from Kmart. And then the curtain rods, they're just white with the little balls on the end, and those were from Big Lots. And then we have her crib, obviously. This is from Target, I believe the brand Delta. I wanted a higher back on her crib, but it was really hard to find, and we became kind of in a time crunch, so I decided to get this one, and now I really like it. I don't think it's a 4-in-1, but I don't think we're going to keep it and transition it for a 4-in-1. I think we're going to do something different after. Her crib sheet is the same as her changing pad cover. That's from Target as well. And then her 2 stuffed animals are in there that she sleeps with. And then we have this from Hobby Lobby. It just says, "I'm my mommy's world and my daddy's girl." Her dad actually picked that up, and that's how the wood and rustic type of theme kind of tied in with the floral. Before that, I would have never thought to get something woodsy, but I actually really like it. And then the same curtains and curtain rod are over here. We have her end table. I wanted to make her a little reading nook or like a reading corner, so I got this canopy from Five Below, and I'm thinking of adding some flowers around the rim. I'll add a picture of what I'm talking about. I might DIY that with just like the same flowers that are on her initial above the dresser. And we just have some stuffed animals. Some of them are out in the family room because she plays with them, and a little basket that holds her books. So I thought that was really cute just to kind of sit in there and read books, and she loves having like a little quiet space or like going into her own space, so that's really cute. And then we have this other canvas or picture that says, "Beautiful girl, you can do amazing things." This is also from Hobby Lobby, and it has the wood as well, and I really like it, and I like how it ties in with the other picture. This part of her room doesn't have much going on. The door usually is open, so there's really no need for anything over there. And then a little bit lower, that is her poster from her first birthday. I thought I was gonna put it here, but I think I like this better. And then there's just a little bin from Target that I am using to kind of hide some storage, like toys or clothes that don't fit her that I need to put away, just so they're not an eyesore. And lastly, we have her rug that is from Hobby Lobby. It's just this white faux fur rug, and I thought it was really cute, and it helped to kind of tie the room in. I am not the biggest fan of carpet, but it does kind of work out having a baby who's always on the floor and rolling around. But I really did like this rug to kind of change up and brighten her room. So that is the nursery tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you were able to get a little inspiration. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.